Hello, enw fi di Dewi Wykes and I'll be playing Pwdin Evans in PETULA. Why do I want to be launched into space? Because it's exciting. There's so many things in outer space. You can fly almost. You can feel weightless, and that's something quite exciting because we can't quite do that here on planet Earth. What was my reaction when I first read the script? It was one of utter brilliance and confusion. You want to wrap your head around all the themes. So my first reaction was like, what? What's this going to be? This show's different from any of the show I've done before because I've never been to space. Most excited about for PETULA, the cast and the crew, meeting them, working with them. So excited about that, and also how it looks. I've heard some amazing things. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. So join me, Dewi, on the tour of PETULA this spring. I'll see you there. Over and out.